explained, I said that was the last special award. Right now will be one of the most important awards for the evening, for it to play a vital role for them to be a part of the top 3. This will be our first entry for this minor award. This is the best in production number or the best performer that serves 15% to contribute to our top 3 later on. Alright, para sa inyo po, sino sa tingin nyo ang pinaka-the best na binigay para sa kanilang production number kanina? We call her the best performer of the evening. The